How's it, everyone? Glad I get to share another one of our adventures with you. Luckily for me, Jesse's going to be joining me on this one. So it's just a couple of us friends getting together for a hike, but we got a little bit together a little bit earlier today, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys what we got up to.
Sorry, Jesse, I'm just adjusting your thing quickly because we are. I just want to quickly.
You see, Amy?
Yeah.
Who
designed this map?
Supposed to go. It's supposed to be like a four-way cross.
Maybe we're here.
Maybe. You see?
Yeah.
So we've been walking for quite some time now. Technically, I think we should have already been finished with today's hike, but unfortunately, I think we got a bit lost. We definitely got a bit lost. I think there was a miscommunication with the park ranger or something on directions, but luckily we're back on track, and probably, I don't know, 1 or 2 hours left to go, and then we'll be there. So yeah, so
Oeh, Stephanie, ijs.
So, just to check in with you guys, yesterday's hike went pretty well. The rest of the group are feeling pretty stoked. The guys in our group had to write his final exam yesterday, so he was quite happy he had to write it and then catch up with us. And today we have another shortish day, I think. Not all of the areas have recovered yet from the fires from about 3 years ago. So a large part of the coastal hikes have been cut out. So, but we're going to do another 9k loop that will take us along the coast. But we'll see how we feel when we get there. So far everybody else is still sleeping. I'm the only one awake. It's just after 6 now. So yeah, same breakfast routine, some coffee, jungle oats. You can just make these straight into the pack. And yeah, just boiling some water for me and for Jessie. We were a little bit concerned about the quality of this water when we first got here, but we think it should be fine. It's just a bit tanniny, that's all, because I think it's rainwater. But yeah, other than that, I think it's going to be a good morning. I got a freaky
Now for your breakfast. That's amazing.
That was a solid one.
Broken heart. Huh?
Is it Mr. Potato Man? Can I try to take a photo? I don't know if this is going to work or not.
Alright Jessie, so what are we doing?
We just popped off the trail to take a walk down to the sea and have a quick swim. Well, I say popped off, but it's about an hour down and then a little bit longer up. We left our packs on top of the hill and then we'll head back to the cars and head home.
Yeah, so the day was a bit shorter than we expected, but nobody's really feeling keen to do another full 4-5 hour hike. But we're keen for a swim, so yeah. Whoop. I almost fell.
I will pass stinging you.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
That sounds dangaroos.
Broken heart.
Nicholas, what do you have to say for yourself?
How come we have fingertips but no toe tips, and yet we can tiptoe but not fingertip?
There you have it, guys. This episode's burning question.
Where are we now, Jan?
I have no idea. I think we're almost at the end.
Close to the end.
Can I get a hoo-ha? Yeah. Hoo-ha! 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 Hoo-ha!
Shock me! Hoo-ha!
Who's this for a pie?
Dude.
I've probably done.
Smell that.
See, we'll be cracked.
I hope that helps me. So when you're calculating how many teaspoons of sugar there are in a drink, it's for every 4 grams is 1 teaspoon.
Hey, Sasha.
So we just got back from our hike. It was really, really great. I just jumped through the shower. Tian's still stinky and gross.
Yeah, guys, it was really fun. Thanks for joining us, and hopefully you can join us for the next one. Cheers.
See you next time.
Fire restoration and stuff like that, so not all of the areas of
See who's in the lead.
who's Mr. Bean, Amy?
We've got to evacuate.